Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create or change your avatar on the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the avatar icon down below. Here the first thing to do is to tap to the first icon down below, which is the skin tone. So you need to tap on the relevant one. Then you should proceed by tapping on or swiping to the right side of the screen. Thereby you are able to select your hair color, hairstyle, hair treatment, your eye shape, and other things concerning your eyes. And as you can see, there are a bunch of things that you can select, such as your body type, your outfit, and so on. So if you are done with creating your avatar and choosing these things, all you have to do is pressing the button save that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your avatar is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.